Hi, I'm Celeste Raponi. This is my portfolio. Um, I have 3 pages. I have the About Me page, a contact page, and my work. So the first project we did was the voting poster project. I enjoyed this project. It was my first time in InDesign, and I liked my design. I wish I was more creative with it. Um, there's that. The magazine project I think was one of the hardest ones personally. I've never used the spreads before, and when I was doing this, like planning it out and whatever, I was thinking of it more like a textbook, not a magazine. So that's why there's a lot of type. I wish I didn't put as much type, but by the time it came to the realization that it was too much, it was too late, and this is the end result. I had some problems with trying to get the type not so close to the things in the middle. The third project was the word project. I thought it was one of the easiest ones. It was very simple, basic, just trying different things out. For the fourth project, I had the student rental company. I thought coming up with the icon was kind of easy because, like my competitors, I put a house in there, but I did it differently than them. I really enjoy doing the mood board. I'm a fashion major, so we do them all the time. I just found that part really easy. And I really like doing the mock-ups. I've never done that before, and I kind of liked how they looked, just to see how the logo would look on other things. But I think the hardest part about this one project was throwing it all together like this and putting specifics and what to do and what not to do and all that. For the fifth project, the information design, I chose to do mine on a fashion topic. I'm a fashion major, so I did it on sustainability and how to be more sustainable, where to shop, what sustainability means, what fibers to look for, content in your clothing, and where the most pollution occurs. I really enjoyed how this came out as well. And then the last project we did was a self promo. This is my resume. And I wanted to make it colorful and like blocked so it wasn't just all this information thrown on a page. And I did the same thing for my cover letter. And yeah, thank you.